How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of strawberry legs and ingrown hair. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So what are strawberry legs, you guys? Strawberry legs are dark bumps that appear after you shave your legs. The reason you get the strawberry legs is because of tiny blocked pores that appear black. So how can we get rid of the strawberry legs and the ingrown hair? I will go over with you guys 3 home remedies that will help you guys instantly to get rid of those strawberry legs and those ingrown hair. So the first home remedy is going to be apply baking soda to your strawberry legs. This will help get rid of the dead skin on them. Now, for other people watching, for guys and girls, this applies to both of you guys. For guys that don't shave their legs, it applies to everything. If you shave your chest, you shave your abs, you shave underneath your armpits or anywhere, shave the back of your head, it doesn't matter where you're shaving, apply baking soda to that area. This will help get rid of the dead skin on them, you guys. So home remedy number 2. Mix buttermilk and salt together and apply it to your strawberry legs. Leave it on for around 5 minutes or so and then wash it off with warm water, you guys. Home remedy number 3. Apply strawberry leg cream to your skin. I have put in the description box it's called Tend Skin Cream Care Solution. I highly recommend you try putting this on your legs. Just click on the link. You guys can buy it. You can look at the reviews. I did a little bit of research on it. This is a very good skin product, but what I recommend doing first is try some of the home options out first. Try the baking soda, try the buttermilk and the salt together. Try those. I would recommend trying the baking soda. Do this for, I would say, maybe 3-4 days, then try the other home remedy. Try that for 3 to 4 days. You can try to combine them. Maybe in the morning, do the baking soda, at night, try the buttermilk. Try doing that for 3-4 days. If not, then you guys can go to the Tend Skin Cream Care Solution. Generally, products that you buy, I know they're going to cost a little bit of money. I don't know if it's $8 or $10. I forget what it is. But generally, if you're paying for the product, it does work. Now, the best thing to go off of is go off of the reviews. That's what I go off, you guys. When I'm helping people find them products, I always go off the reviews. Always listen to what other people have done. So other people are saying that this skin cream care solution, it works very good, you guys, for strawberry leg cream. So I highly recommend. Again, it is in the description box. If you guys want to purchase it, you guys can. Again, it's just another option. I don't like selling stuff on my channel, but I know people are always asking me, what's the best product? What's the best product? In my opinion, this is the best product, you guys. But again, apply the baking soda first, try the buttermilk first. It'll save you guys some money. Then try the product if nothing else works. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like the video and share it. Have a great day, everyone.